Hi, gorgeous girl. Gladys. Hi. Come up here. Come up here, my love. Come here. Hi, sweetheart. Hi, little silly girl. Oh, come here. You're being a tease. Gladys. You see the camera? Hi, pretty baby. Look at your pretty markings. Aren't you gorgeous? I know. Like, take me home. Take me home. I hear your motor, baby girl. You just want to roll around. All right, silly one. All right. You're too busy rolling around to even want to come out, aren't you?